this is the beginning of my mini bike project. Gonna have a 200cc Honda clone engine and a centrifugal clutch is what's going to be the drive. It's not using a torque converter style, continuously variable style, just the standard chain driven centrifugal clutch. Motors over here. KG200 5.5. It's that one says 5.5. The new one's the Princess Auto, same size, and everything else says 6.5. So I'm assuming that one now is rated. It was continuous, and now they probably do maximum. That's probably what they rate them on now, is maximum horsepower. Because the 160s are rated at 5.5 now on the stickers. Anyways, just got the tank off here. Triple clutch. Hopefully have her together in the next couple weeks here.